Pay attention before installing the pedals. The fixing screws of the bracket should not be tightened. Just tighten it by hand after adjusting the position of the pedals. After fixing the pedals, finally, tighten all the fixing screws of the bracket. Hole 1 and hole 2 are two M8 threaded holes at the front of the vehicle chassis. The bracket can be installed by screwing an M8 screw upward into these holes. Note that the middle rubber or plastic cap needs to be removed during installation. After installing the bracket, just fix it slightly and do not lock it tightly. Hole 1 and hole 2 are located approximately 20 centimeters forward from the gap between the two car doors. They consist of one rubber or plastic cap and an M6 screw rod. Remove the rubber or plastic cap and insert a shorter T-bolt. Then the bracket can be installed. After installing the bracket, just secure it loosely, do not fully tighten it. Hole 1 is a small hole in the rear raised position. Insert a T-bolt through the large hole and let it pass through the small hole. For hole 2, use the original vehicle bolt behind hole 1 to install the bracket. After installing the bracket, only secure it temporarily, do not lock it tightly. Hole 1 is the second screw fixing the underbody guard plate. Hole 2 is the screw in the concave hole behind hole 1. Remove the two original vehicle screws to install the bracket. Note, the lug of hole 1 should be inserted into the guard plate, and the lug of hole 2 should be outside the guard plate. After installing the bracket, just fix it loosely, do not tighten it completely. Hole 1 is the fifth screw fixing the underbody guard plate. Hole 2 is the screw in the concave hole behind hole 1. The installation method is the same as that of the left front bracket. After installing the bracket, only secure it temporarily, do not lock it tightly. The installation position is symmetrical to that of the right rear bracket, and the installation method is the same. After installing the bracket, only secure it loosely, do not fully tighten the screws. Loosen all the screws on the board surface. Put it on the board. Adjust the board surface distance. Screw on all the screws connecting the bracket to the board surface. Finally, lock all the screws.